Orla here, or Callie, and welcome back to my channel and to another video. If you want to find me on other places other than YouTube, then you can follow me on Instagram, where I share everything. Literally everything. Everything you guys send me, everything I make. You can also communicate with me easily there. So if you need help with stuff like my patterns and everything, you can just message me there. It's so easy, so convenient, so why not follow, okay? Today is actually an exciting video for me because I'll be showing you guys everything that I have created and finished, like all of my completed crochet projects for June. I forgot that it takes a while to crochet projects, okay? And when I was thinking about it, I'm like, oh yeah, I crocheted so much, I did this and that, and then I went to my Instagram because I can easily track what I've done, and I was like, that's it? And I was like, wait, it usually takes me like a week to finish a project, so it makes sense that I would have like 4 or less projects. So I do have a little bit more than that, and I'm just excited to just show you guys. It's like a recap. I like recaps, okay? It's like a recap of the month of June. So let's start with the first project that I completed in June. The first project that I completed for the month of June is this crop top right here. Let's get a little spin there. This crop top, oh my gosh, there's a stain. This crop top is actually a pattern by my younger sister, Mr. Bob Vin. It is the Striped Madness crop top, and my sisters and I crocheted our own version of that top at the Grand Canyon. And well, we started it at the Grand Canyon and we finished it when we got home, because there's a whole video on it if you want to go check that out, okay? It's on my channel. And I actually had so much fun making this because I hadn't made a shirt before, and it was just so cute. I'll show you pictures that my sisters and I took in them, and just like, oh my gosh, so cute, okay? If you want that pattern, the link is down below in the description box, okay? So that is the first thing that I made, and honestly the most memorable because I got stuck in the Grand Canyon, like at the bottom. So I like this top because of those memories associated with it. Now, the second things, I'll say things because they're small projects. So the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth things that I created for the month of June are these bandanas. Like, hello. So I made a green one to go with my recent outfit and the skirt. If you, oh my gosh, you guys don't know yet. Oh yeah, you guys know. I posted it on Monday. The skirt tutorial, I made it to go with that outfit. I made this one to go with my other skirt that I made, which prompted the tutorial. And then I made this one because, hello, we always need black in our wardrobe, okay? As you can see, I mainly wear black when I'm not wearing my crochet outfits. I made a cream one. This one I made to go with the Striped Madness crop top that I just showed you guys. And then I made a white one because you always need white, okay? You always need white, you always need black. So these are the 5 bandanas that I have made so far. I love them so much because I'm a person who like loves headbands and any kind of headwear, especially having big curly hair. I like to like tame it with them, and oh my gosh, it's so amazing to have. It's so easy to work up. That's why I worked up 5 of them. I want to make them in like every color. I'm looking down because I'm trying to like put them together. I want to make them in every color that I have using my 24/7 cotton yarn, and I mean, hopefully I will. I usually make them to go with outfits, so I'll probably, oh my gosh, I'll probably make another one for the Kendall Jenner sweater, knit sweater that I'm going to be making. Ooh, I can't wait. That video will be out like next Friday or something. But these are the 5 headbands that I made. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, the 6 projects so far. I don't have a pattern for this because it's not my pattern. Even though I used someone's free pattern and then I made it my own just so that it could fit like my head and just to fit the way that I want. The next projects that I made in the month of June are well, it's an outfit. You guys know, it's my Rainbow Madness outfit. If you want the pattern for these, it is down below in the description. I put 2 patterns in one, okay? You get 2 patterns for the price of 1. Hello? So the first thing I made was this button-down tube top for the outfit. It's upside down. This is the top. So I made this button-down tube top because it's June, it's Pride Month, hello. So I made the original flag rainbow because the original flag had pink in it and turquoise. So I added those 2 colors. You don't usually see those colors. And then I added some fluff around it. This is my first tube top that I've made, and I think it turned out so much better than I thought. I added buttons, and I realized I love adding buttons to things, so my future cardigans will probably have buttons that are not functional. Like, I'm not making buttonholes, I'm just sewing buttons to it. So I made this top, and then I made a skirt to go with it. It's this skirt right here. I added some fluff at the bottom, just like I did for the top, just so that it can go well together. And I used my skirt pattern, my tennis skirt pattern, to make this. Making a skirt is easy. I just didn't make a straight part, so everything is roughly and nice because I wanted a nice flowy skirt. So this is the 7th thing I made and the 8th thing I made for the month of June. A nice outfit. Like I said, if you want the pattern, you can get it down below in the description box. The next thing, what was that, 7 and 8? 7 and 8. The 9th thing that I made for the month of June was this Marseille sweater by Petite Knit. Petite Knit is a knitter. She makes the most beautiful neutral colored items, clothing items ever. Oh my gosh, I love her. Tiffany Lou put me on because she always talks about Petite Knit, and I looked at Petite Knit even though I don't knit, and I love her stuff, okay? I even bought one of her patterns, one of her knit patterns. I don't knit, okay? I don't know how to knit. I don't know if I'll ever knit, when I'll knit, but I bought her pattern, and I just love the way her stuff looks. So I decided, I was like, oh my gosh, I love this Marseille sweater. I'm obsessed with sweaters. Let me try to crochet it. And that's what I did by making this Marseille sweater, okay? I'm pretty sure I'll put pictures up like every time if I wore the outfit or the headband or the bandanas or anything, so that you can see what it looks like on. And it's actually a cream color, but it looks kind of white. No, it actually looks it's creamer than it looks on camera. Like, it's not this light. It's a little tan. And I actually like this sweater. I made it a little bit too tight because I needed to expand the neckline a little bit more since I slip stitched. Wait, did I slip stitch it? Yeah, since I slip stitched this neckline, I should have done single crochet, but it's okay. All right, so this is, what was this? 9? Yeah, the 9th thing. And I like this so much because I love practicing. Even if it's not something that I'm going to wear all the time, I love practicing making different items like sweaters and stuff, especially with different yarn, because I used the Casey Element yarn with this, and that yarn was just so soft and so nice. It's like 90% acrylic, 10% cotton or something like that, or 90% cotton, 10% acrylic. I think it's 90% cotton, 10% acrylic. Oh my gosh, it was so soft. I just loved working with it, and it was like my first step into working with different yarn other than 24/7 cotton, because you guys know I love 24/7 cotton yarn. Most of the things that I've shown you have been made with that. No. 99%. That is the only thing that is not 24/7 cotton yarn. Everything else was made with that. So, that's the 9th thing. The 10th thing that I made, the 10th and 11th thing, they go together, okay? So, if you watched my previous video, you'll know that I made a tennis skirt. That's the back. This is the front, that I made a tennis skirt, okay? Look at this. Yes, yes. The pleats and everything, okay? I love this skirt. I will show pictures, boom, of this outfit, how I looked. I loved it, loved it. This is my favorite. This is like my favorite look, okay? I made a tutorial, I did a crochet with me attempting to make a skirt. I was just literally experimenting and it turned out good, like first try. And I said I'll make a tutorial on it. I didn't do it until 2 months later because I had already planned stuff. I don't like to insert things when I already have a plan. So the time slot opened up for this tutorial. So I finally made it. If you want the pattern, the written pattern, it's down below in the description box. If you want the tutorial, just go to literally the video before this one and you can get that. And the top that I made with it, which is my 11th project and final project for the month, so 11 things that I completed for the month, is this tennis top. I wanted to make an outfit. I wanted to make a top to go with it. It's this shirt here. Hold on. It's a little wrinkled. It's this shirt here. It's like a vest. Oh gosh, it's so white. Hello, can we dim it down a little bit, please? No? Okay, well anyway, it has this like open V-neck situation. Then it has a little collar. Let me fold it over, actually. It has this little collar in the back. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Okay, hello. Can we just, there we go. It has this little collar in the back, just for a little detailing. I just wanted to have a tennis vibe. Okay, so I think I'll call this the tennis top. I just need to perfect it a little bit more. Okay, it's perfect as it is. I just need to develop my language for it so I can explain how to do it, okay? Doing it is not the problem. It's explaining how to do it that's the problem, and like how to write it out so that people don't need to go to the tutorial to understand what's happening in a pattern. Do you understand? I don't know, and it's a little confusing in my brain right now. But this shirt and this skirt is an outfit, and I think I showed pictures already. If not, I'll just pop them up again here. And that's why I made my green bandana to go with this outfit, so that it would be green, white, green. Oh, so awesome, so amazing. I literally love everything that I make because no one else can make it like I can make it, okay? Everyone can make the same thing and everything will still be a little different because your touch is unique, you know? Anyway, that is all I have for my completed projects. I did start other projects, but I haven't completed them. So this is just everything I completed, literally completed in the month of June. And that is a lot more than I thought I would have. 11 projects, that's a lot. And plus I have like 2 more whips, which I'm not worried about that. Those are like, my camera just shut off. I didn't know that was a thing. I guess I was recording too long at one time. Anyway, the other 2 whips that I have are just like practice things, so I wasn't even worried about completing it for the month of June. But yeah, let me know what you guys have completed for the month of June. Oh my gosh, I need to tell you guys what I plan to do for July. Okay, hold on. I have so many ideas, okay? I'll just give you a little bit of what I plan. Like, I have a whole list. So I plan to do, of course, vlogs. I love my crochet vlogs. I will continue doing crochet vlogs because it's like you guys are there with me and I'm like showing you guys what I'm doing. It's like behind the scenes. I love it so much. So I'm going to be doing the Kendall Jenner oversized knit sweater. I saw her post that like earlier this month, or was it earlier this month or last month? I don't know. But I'm going to attempt to crochet that using my candy striped sweater pattern, which if you want that pattern, definitely get it down below in the description box, okay? I'm definitely doing so many yarn hauls because I am buying so much yarn, okay? I'm trying to prepare for winter time so that I can get some patterns out to you guys for winter, okay? Because my sisters and I are going ham with the sweaters and the cardigans and the different variations. Like, we are coming at you hard, okay? So that you guys, okay? It doesn't get cold like that here in California, okay? But we're still gonna do big stuff so that you guys who live in countries and states that get freezing, you will have perfect patterns to be able to make your own comfy things for the winter, okay? So yarn hauls galore, vlogs galore, and then the Kendall Jenner one, I'm going to be making something out of the mohair that I'm getting and the mohair that I have. And I'm also going to show you guys me organizing all of this yarn, and definitely a cardigan. I got some knitting for olive yarn. I can't wait to do the yarn haul on that. Okay, I cannot wait. And I'm gonna make a, like, it's not gonna be oversized, but it's gonna be bigger than me. I don't like true to size stuff. So it's gonna be bigger than me cardigan. And oh gosh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. All right, anyway, I'm rambling, but those are some of the things that I plan to do for the month of July. And of course, you guys know this is what I did for the month of June. So hopefully I complete everything that I plan to do. If not, of course, it could go into the next month because it doesn't matter, okay? Like, just because you plan to do it doesn't mean it's something that will happen, because things will come up. You might want to bump that down and make something else that you see trending or something. You know, plans change, but it's good to have a plan so that you can change that plan, you know? So thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. Like I said before, let me know what you guys crocheted in the month of June, what you finished, what you completed, or what you plan to complete, because today's the last day of June. So maybe you guys are gonna complete something today. Who knows, okay? But I will see you guys next time with another video. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video so that you can see more content from me. Make sure you go down below in the description box and subscribe to my sisters as well, because you're gonna get a lot of content from all of us and you do not want to miss it, okay? You don't want to miss the sisters, not at all, okay? Remember to follow me on my social media, Instagram mainly, because then I get to share you guys stuff easily. You guys can ask me questions easily, and it's just a great platform, okay? And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye!